Morning, everybody. It's the next day. Yesterday was really deflating. I had to seek some counsel and make a phone call and talk to somebody who can understand what it's like to spend a lot of money and time on the day and then nothing go your way. Y'all might know who I'm talking about. It's a good conversation, but I never found the bolt that I needed to fix the auger. Man, I went to 4 different stores, and it's a shear bolt, so it's like a grade 2. Only thing anybody has is like grade 5 or grade 8. So gonna have to get on Amazon or something, or call John Deere and order it, which means we're not gonna get much done today in the way of setting the posts. I think you can see the post in the background back there by the flagpole. We got 3 of them in, which is cool. But I did rustle up some of, let me show you guys. I rustled up some stickers that I never put on anything. And what I've started doing is on the shop door is putting stickers. So I'm gonna do that real quick. See how this goes. Oh, it's dark in here. Literally only have a couple stickers, but I'm gonna start putting stickers on that door. So let's see how this goes. So it's the start. Got to get some more stickers. Need another meetup. What's up, guys? Y'all check this out. So many years ago, somebody put a square, just set it in the tree when they were kind of done with it. I guess they forgot about it. And this tree has grown up around it. I'm gonna turn y'all around and let y'all look at this. This is super cool. It is in the tree. Like, you can't pull it out. The tree just grew up around it. So I guess we'll nickname this tree the square tree. That is awesome. Pretty cool. Good morning, guys. I don't like that. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cold Beer Ranch. I'm John, in case you're new to the channel. Today, we're going to work on rain catchment. So water is super important. Rain catchment, we're going to catch the water, filter it, and use it in the RV for showering and cleaning up. We're not using it for drinking. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Just needs to be good enough. Right now we're running into town every other day, filling up 1 gallon, 5 gallon jugs and then pouring it into the RV. That's getting old quick. So rain catchment it is. I've got these 55 gallon drums. I've purchased some wood at the local hardware store yesterday, and I'm gonna build a base to kind of elevate it up off the ground. I've ordered these hoses off of Amazon, which I have right here, that I can show you, that we're gonna hook up to the downspout on the building. Let me show you. They look like this. So they've got a little square end. Let me dump this out. They've got a square end that'll hook up to the downspout, and they're flexible. So you can bend them whichever way you want, and they expand out, I think, to like 80 inches. So I've got a couple of those. I think I'm only gonna use one on one side for now to kind of see if this prototype doesn't work. I've also got some fine mesh screen, and if you look over here, I've also got a little mesh cover. Thumbnail. That goes over the inlet of this drum, and that'll keep out, you know, a lot of the large debris, bugs and stuff like that. Again, we're just using this water for cleanup and showering and whatnot. So today's gonna be all about building that stand, getting that thing set up and strapping it down, and hopefully, here's the key. Here's the key to this whole thing. So we need some rain. So it hadn't rained out here in quite some time. It's been kind of a drought. But if it does, I want to be able to collect as much as I can. So y'all stay tuned. Appreciate you watching, and let's see what happens. So before I get started building the stand, I don't know if y'all can see up there, that looks like there's some debris in the gutter. So I'm gonna get the ladder out and go up there. I think that's about 12 foot tall, and make sure that these gutters are clear so that we can come down over here. Looks like whoever the previous owner was had some sort of rain catchment going on. Looks like they used a large Gatorade bottle to pare it down to the size hose that they need. I'm taking that off of there. But let me get up here and check this out and see what we're working with before I start building the stand. Whoa. There's so much dirt up here. Hope this thing's on and working. There's so much dirt in these gutters. Check this out. It goes the entire length, all the way. Look at that. I'm gonna have to get up on this roof. I don't want to get up on this roof. But at minimum, I've got to clean out all of this trash. I mean, it's not just little branches, but there's like, oh my gosh, just thick dirt. This is gonna take forever. Why me? All right, catch y'all back here in a minute. Y'all want to see me cleaning out gutters? It gets stuck, and that's what I'm pulling out. Little, one by one, just twigs and branches. How did they get in here? Like, that's all I can come out with, and it's probably this deep, full of dirt. I don't know how to, if I had something to suck it out, or like a pressure washer or something. It goes the entire length. And every time I put my hand in my glove, it gets caught on my glove when I try to pull it out. Like, not exciting.